all of your latest and greatest homework. Where does it say? It says remaining smart books and smart books for the semester. All of those are there. Also a reminder, we will not have class during Thanksgiving week. NOC is closed during Thanksgiving week. So we have today's class, we have Thursday's class. We have Tuesday and Thursday of next week. We have Tuesday and Thursday of the week after Thanksgiving. And that's it. Semester's done. Semester is done. So we are approaching it at a rapid pace. Okay. Couple of things from an administrative point of view. We had a really good discussion about why you should enroll before the end of the semester. If you wait to enroll for spring after finals week, which you can do because the actual deadline for enrollment is the first week of class. And I am aware that some of you are going to have financial situations that you got to deal with it that way. However, you may end up with a hold because you have to do financial aid exit counseling. If you are enrolled before the end of the semester, you will not have to do that financial aid exit counseling. It'll carry over. So that's item number one. Item number two is there's a lot of extra paperwork if you do not get enrolled before the end of the semester. Because it essentially you have to redo all of those preliminary things for the school year. So getting enrolled prior to the end of the semester is a good thing. Number three, we will open up our freshman P-TECH scholarships starting in January. So if you have not applied for your P-TECH scholarships, now is the time to do it. Also, for those of you in WIN, we have quite a bit of money for WIN scholarships. So get in there and apply for your scholarships. So if you haven't done that, and this is how you do that, you go to NOC, type in the word scholarship. Oh, where is it? Current students. Oh, I just have to find it. There we are. Current students scholarship. You can go in there and come down here and apply for your scholarships. There's your scholarship application processes. All your forms are right there. So you want to make sure that you go in and apply because there is money available and there will be money that's eligible for that. So encourage you, there it is, the NOC online scholarship application. Go in and apply. Get that stuff done. Because that will help you all out. So enrollment, that one. Oh, yes. Okay. Couple of things. I just went in through, even though I'm one of the power users at NOC, we had a 2-hour looking at our Blackboard situation. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to help you guys out in Blackboard. Number one, when you first come into Blackboard and you come up here, you got your name up there. If you click on that, you can set your profile. You can actually put in your picture. All right, you can do that. But I want to point out the general notifications because when you click on this, you can set what notifications you want to have. If you are in classes that use discussion boards, maybe you want to have that one clicked. If somebody puts a new calendar event, maybe you want to have that one clicked. Somebody wants their grades and activity, maybe you want to do that. So that's notifications there. These are the ones, this is how you're going to get it to your email. You can say, send it to me right away. And as you guys know, that sometimes in my classes, that means you're gonna get 15 to 20 emails at a time, because I've populated stuff all at once. And most of us don't want their email box carried over with 15 to 20 emails. I know I don't. Because I receive, you ready for this? On a weekday basis, my NOC email, I will receive anywhere from 100 to 200 emails. My business email, I will receive anywhere from 100 to 200 emails. My personal email, it's something on the order of 400 emails a day. So it's not a surprise that I get things lost in email. I don't want my Blackboard to be sending me 50 different ones a day. So you can do this. You can have it only email you once a day, and you can pick what things you want to have in there. So you can actually make that to you, and then you can also pick the things that as soon as it shows up, you can have it picked, like new discussion responses, new content. You can say push that, and you can set up upcoming due dates. So if you want to know your due dates ahead of time, you can do that. So that's something that I remember seeing it, but I hadn't seen it in a while, and so I thought I would let you guys know about it, because as we set up for next semester, things you want to do better next semester, keeping up with homework, that's one way to do it. The other thing is on your calendar function. If you click on your calendar function, see that little plus? You can add your own stuff. You can add your own things that you want to add to your calendar. So you can actually make your Blackboard calendar your primary calendar, which I didn't realize until today. So you can do those, you can add different events, you can add, like for some of you that are in sports, you can add your various sporting meets in there so that you know ahead of time that you're gonna have to contact your instructors to say, oops, we're not gonna be there that day. That would be helpful. So you can make this calendar function work for you. So you can actually have those things set up in there. So a couple of things that I didn't realize that are very helpful for everybody that I was going to point out to folks. So, all right. That all being said, let's dive in.